on, Cap.
Morning. There you go.
Yeah. All right, it's always fun to watch.
I told her, you see the gas lady run, you run like hell. Good job. You're the first one. Tall German blonde kid.
Oh, good job. For one shirt. He won the 1 mile.
Oh yeah. Let's start seeing when they first jump off.
We have a couple of guys in really bright colors who just finished the 10K this morning at the Big Bird Run. And what's your name?
Jim O'Brien.
Jim Oleksinski.
Well, both of you are familiar names from results because you usually finish in the top part of your age group, right?
Well, you're pretty kind. You're very generous. I do the best I can.
I got a birthday coming up soon, and hope springs eternal.
Does that mean you get a new age group?
I'm going to go to the 65ers, and I'm going to rip it up.
Isn't it fun to get a new age group?
Yes, it is.
How about you?
Here's one of the upsides. I'll be 50 in May, so it gets tougher though sometimes when you get older categories.
Well, you know, there are a whole lot of really good master runners in Michigan, so it's kind of tough to come out on top, I think.
It's depressing.
Tough to get out of bed sometimes too.
Probably finished about 15 minutes ago.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Bloomfield Hills.
I've been in Grosse Pointe for 30 years, but I just moved to Rochester Hills.
Ah, okay, it's kind of in the neighborhood.
Yeah, I think so. I drive around a lot, so it's right next door to me.
Have you done this race before?
I have. I think this is probably 8 or 10 times.
I've done this race every year since 2001, and I'm hoping to win a frozen turkey this year for the first time.
Have you ever won a turkey?
I have never won a turkey.
Well, like you said, hope springs eternal.
Yes, it does.
Well, it's a good prize, and it was fun watching you both out there, and have a good rest of the day. You have a lot to celebrate.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Happy Thanksgiving Day.
We have here one of the really fast people at the Big Bird 10K this morning in Roseville. I believe he was third. What's your name?
My name is Jamie.
Jamie.
Jamie Labrosse.
Jamie Labrosse. Tell us why you're wearing maple leafs on your shirt.
I'm Canadian.
Where are you from?
I'm originally from Toronto area, and I came over here. I've been here since '93.
93. So you were one of the people paying attention when they played the Canadian national anthem this morning?
Oh yeah, I was hoping to hear it this morning. Gets the blood flowing a little bit before the race.
So, I believe you said you hadn't done this before. Is that right?
No, this is the first race I've run down here.
What do you think?
I liked it. It was a beautiful day.
What did you think about the overpass?
I was just going to say that I wasn't too fond of that overpass. It actually hurt more on the way out than it did on the way back for some reason, but it wasn't fun.
Well, it's different, and if you expect it, it's pretty hard. If you don't expect it, it's what?
It's real hard.